Hi, I'm Cara Barton, and this is my video on the Theory Video Blog Module 2. According to what we watched this week for our unit, Davidson, Shriver, and Robinson, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, there are several key concepts for behavioralism. They've been applied to distance education, and they have three key concepts or steps, which I also believe in, which are practice, modeling, reinforcement, active learning. Sorry, that would be 4 steps. It's been a long day. 4 steps. Practice is just as it sounds. You practice, you demonstrate, you use repetition in your lessons. If it's online learning, you are showing it in a video, you're posting things on your Blackboard, you're showing your lessons so that people can watch you do it, repeat it, see it again, practice, practice, practice. This gives the learner opportunities to practice during and after the lessons. Modeling they define as demonstrating a behavior for the learner. As an instructor in my classes, I teach Word, Excel, PowerPoint, things like that. I would model a complete assignment via a video or a blog or something on the Blackboard where they could actually see me doing the assignment itself, and then post completed assignments or projects on Blackboard for them to go back and reference once they've watched the video. So modeling it, showing them how it's done. Reinforcement. This is a key concept, I believe, in many ways. Reinforcement is possible even on an online class. You may not be face-to-face with your students, but you can answer them via a text, via email, replying to a grade, a group chat, any kind of post. Reinforcement can be positive, negative, or just helpful. When I receive a grade back from my instructors, reinforcement, I like them to be in a timely manner. I can have negative, positive, but at least I'm getting feedback so I know that I'm proceeding in the correct manner. In addition, when I try to post mine in a timely manner, I expect that from my professors. According to the blog E-Learning World, this is a quote, keep in mind that reinforcement is the hallmark of behaviorism. While e-learning does not always involve face-to-face interactions with the instructor in the form of video conference or webinars, learners still take their dose of positive reinforcement through feedback that could take many forms. For example, corrective feedback can be in the form of program responses triggered when the learner chooses a correct answer on a quiz or a test. It also could be in the form of receiving your certificate upon completion of the course. Certificates of achievement and other forms of recognition provide intrinsic reinforcement that further encourages the learners to continue staying active in the course. World 2019 quote. The last concept, active learning. In many ways, Liberty University has installed active learning in me. I have been part of discussion boards, replies, group chats, Google Classroom, blogs now, vlogs. I'm learning so much. As an instructor, if I were to do distance education, I would make sure that my students became familiar with the technologies to collaborate with their teammates and their instructors using all these technologies. Behaviorism and constructivism in online and distance education are always discussed together. Constructivism, sorry, I have a hard time with that one, is a predominant learning theory in which learning is an active procedure where students enter the process of building knowledge by trying to clarify the events of the world environment. As a future instructor of distance education, I need to incorporate online classroom environment that includes behaviorism, constructivism, and promoting communication, collaboration, teamwork, so that the students and the instructors are all together. Thank you very much.